Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. This is Teacher Umi. Okay, today we will learn about increase and decrease number. Okay, for page 1 is about increase number. Let's see at first row. As you can see, the first row is start from number 11. So after 11 is 12. After 12 is 30. 40, 50. Okay, for the next row, try to complete with mommy and daddy, okay? So let's continue to page number 2. Page number 2 is about decreased number. It starts from 11. So before 11 is number 10. Before 10 is 9, 8, 7. Okay, finish this homework with mommy and daddy, okay? See you next class. Bye.